First, take out 31 right, Delta 1120. Service 1 heavy, continue.
If you ain't talking money, I don't wanna talk. I'll call you back. You can tell I get this sack just by the way I walk.
Lily? Who's your best friend? Good girl.
I was gonna clean my room until I got high. I was gonna.
Everybody on the right side, let me hear you say, ooh.
Lily, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Hey, I shoved that ball down my pants.
Can you go get me a roll of duct tape? That's my girl. Good job.
Holy fucking shit, that's my best friend. Holy fucking shit, that's my best friend.
You stay right there, boy. You are under arrest. We got a runner. Requesting backup. Requesting backup.
Down. Up. Come on. Down. Ugh. One more. Ugh.
Quincy, I swear there's something wrong with you, buddy. What dog sits like that on the stairs?
Where are you going? Oh my gosh.
You doing okay over there, Otis?
Sadie, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend?
Quincy, are you ready to go to California next week? Give me a woohoo! Yeah!
I wonder what they're thinking.
I pooped on this rug. I'm going to kill you both in your sleep tonight, you useless peasants.
Lily, who's your best friend? Good girl. Who's your second best friend? Good girl.
Move that dough. Young nigga, move
scary. It was scary. It was a scary car. It was a scary car. It was so terrifying.
You feel so nice. You feel so nice. So nice!
Say hi. Say hello.
I'm that nigga on the block. Police pull up. I'm trying to stash the Glock. You that nigga on the low.
Hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
You come and take lessons from me, you'll be a proven drummer in no time. I can even teach animals how to play. Check it out. Pacey, give me a beat.
Guess who's expecting puppies? Who wants one?
You know what to do with the big fat butt. Wiggle, wiggle, do, 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 do,
Hey, what's it like being a dog? Good story, bro.
Whip game Papa got me getting all these extras. You ain't flexing, boy, man. I think you need.
Now watch me whip. Kill it. Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay. Why me?
I'm not here to play games. Where the fuck did you put them?
Look, I understand that dog meat might be a thing in some cultures, but if you have to skin, burn, or boil them alive for the flavor, then you might be a scumbag.
Why would you run? I'm trying to prompt his humming behavior and measure the electrical charge. Well, you don't need to starve them.
Wow, you look really soft. I want to feel you.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life.
Hey Stu, you wanna play hide and seek? Alright, you hide first. Here I come.
Yeah? Okay, here we go. Bob, what's that? Is that your food? Oh! Come on. Come on. Come on, guys.
Are you serious? Is that comfortable?
Yeah, so nice to be king of our castle. Don't touch me, puny human.
Zebo! Zebo!
Alright, say bye. Say bye for Good job.
Okay, do it.
Quincy, howl like a wolf.